Nakhavoly at Toronto City Hall, where city officials have announced new efforts to ramp up vaccinations in over a dozen priority neighborhoods.
We continue within available supply limits to step up the pace and to innovate as we go about the largest vaccination effort in the history of the city.
Mayor John Tory says the city will be launching a mobile vaccination strategy called Team Toronto Sprint, which will work to triple the amount of COVID-19 vaccines administered in 13 hotspot zones over the next 2 weeks.
This will bring vaccine doses for eligible people 18 and older to where people live in the neighborhoods that are in the greatest need.
The strategy will also involve increasing vaccination capacity at city-run clinics starting May 10th, but will rely on supply, which has been an issue for weeks. The city says it will also be expanding mobile teams to deploy firefighters and paramedics to areas considered a priority risk to help administer the shot.
We are deploying additional paramedics and firefighters to support our mobile clinic efforts. This will further assist some of our most vulnerable residents, such as those experiencing homelessness, those who rely on our shelters, drop-in centers, and those who live outdoors.
This past weekend, Toronto Public Health allocated 3,700 doses for mobile and pop-up clinics in hotspot areas. The plan with the new Sprint strategy is for clinics to administer 12,000 doses a week.
But frankly, I don't think any of us will be satisfied until we know that every single person who wants a vaccine and is eligible for a vaccine actually gets their vaccine.
So far, over 948,000 doses of the COVID-19 vaccine have been administered in Toronto. The city aims to increase the amount of shots given at its clinics to over 8,500 per day. An additional 231,000 new appointments will open up next month, inching the city closer to the 1 million doses mark.
To me, when you pass over 1 million or 1.5 million or 2 million, it's cause for a degree of satisfaction that things are working, that were put in place. We still have a supply issue, which looks like it might be improving in the next period of time, but we will have no celebrations around here.
Mayor John Tory says supply continues to be an issue. However, we do have the capability of vaccinating more people, which he hopes will be able to do as a large shipment of vaccines is expected sometime soon. Nakhavoly, City News.